Hi everyone. I show to you how to increase Windows 11 performance. Click Search and write Run. In the bottom left Windows showed. Right here %temp%. After that delete all files and folders. If showed in the screen then click Skip button. Then repeat the process. In Run window write temp without %. And delete all files and folders. The second way of increased performance is About Task Manager. Click Task Manager and enter Startup Apps. And disabled some programs if you want to don't work when computer started. For example, I disable SkyVPN, but you can choose which program you want. Be careful while choosing program, don't touch Microsoft or service programs. The third way of increasing performance is write in Search Performance and enter Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click Adjust for best performance and click Apply, then click OK. Thank for watching video.